Hi guys, Adrian the Porsche Lover. For today I'm going to share with you how to reset the tire pressure monitoring system for your Porsche. Let's deep dive in the subject for today. As usual, we'll start off with wristwatch check. So I'm wearing today is a beautiful two-door Glamour Date. This is a 36mm variant, which is a two-tone, meaning that it's a stainless steel plus gold. So for today, I actually taken off the original bracelet and put on a Beast of Ride bracelet to give you a more vintage, casual look. So this is also quite nice because it has a black inky dial and also it's a gilt dial as well. Alright, back to the topic at hand for today. If you're new to the channel, welcome. So in this channel, I'll be sharing my love and passion for Porsches, be it talking about the cars, technical matters such as this video. At the same time, I'm sharing my love for watches and also for other car technical matters. So if you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Alrighty. So this TPMS system or TPM, tire pressure monitoring, is not for all cars. This is an option from Porsche. Let's say if you have it, only then you'll be able to see this function. At the same time, this guide is only valid for the Porsche 997 generation and the 987 Caymans or Boxsters, the 0.1s or the 0.2s. For the 991 generation and the 981s, the system is a bit different already. So to access the TPM or TPMS system, what you do is that you need to go to the bottom left lever at your steering there. You push it in, alright, then you can see there's a menu there, then you press it downwards, push it downwards to TPM. So once you reach TPM already, you can see it comes up tire pressure monitoring. You push it in to enter. You can see all these items here. So first of all, we will go through the menu one by one. So info pressure. So you can see this is the pressure that I resetted it initially, and over time it has lost some pressure due to whatever reasons. It could be a leak, could be some issues with tires. So this you need to check it out at your local garage or workshop. So going back, we put to info tires. So currently I'm on summer tires because I'm in Malaysia right now and it's always summer here. There is no winter here. There's no four seasons in Malaysia. And going back, we go to load. So currently I put it at partial load because it's usually only me in the car. So let's say if you have a lot of passengers, of course you can select the full load. But for myself, partial load will do because I'm in the car most of the time. Moving on, we shall move to set. So let's say for example, if the tire pressure monitoring system has an error which pops up saying that there is less pressure, there's an error, or let's say for example any system message regarding the TPM comes up, you will need to do this step to reset the tire. So you need to go into the set here. Again, I'm on summer tires. So of course, if you're in the winter country, you put the winter in Europe or US or wherever you may be. So I'll go to summer tires, then summer tires selected, continue, enter. Process is complete. So when you do process complete, you enter again, you will come up with this message. So do not be alarmed. Basically it's telling you that the TPMS is a learning system and it's not active right now. So if you go back out again, okay, so you can see right now the TPMS has 0 values, meaning that the system needs to relearn again. So what you need to do is you just drive around the block a couple of times and the tire pressure will come up again. So this is how you reset the tire pressure. If you like my content so far, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Alright, another question that I get a lot from clients or friends is that, Adrian, how do I know if my Porsche comes option or spec with a TPM or tire pressure monitoring system? One way you can tell from the outside of the car externally is actually from the tire valve itself. So if you look closely at my car, my 997, you can see that the tire valve is a bit different from the usual. So you can see the tire valve is a bit solid, it's metal, because this houses a sensor itself as opposed to the normal ones which are usually black in color. So this is one way you can tell that whether your car is option with a TPM system. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and found value in the sharing. Let's say if any comments, questions or feedback, please feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. In the meantime, stay safe and have a blessed day.